Yo,
Hi.
Yo,
how y'all doing?
Oh my
we're
god,
good.
the accent.
How are you? We're good.
Good. Wait, hold up, you guys.
We're 18.
18, yeah.
Y'all both 18?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's. Hey, what's your ethnicity?
We're Colombian and Polish.
Yeah.
Both of you?
Yeah. We're sisters.
Yep.
Y'all sisters?
Yeah.
Oh shit, y'all do kind of look like y'all got the same eyes.
Really?
Some pretty eyes. Which one? Who's older and who's younger?
We're twins, so we're the same age.
Yeah.
Y'all twins?
Yes.
No way.
Yeah.
Okay. I can see that a little bit now. A little
Is
bit.
it?
Yeah.
She's like a little more darker, but.
A little bit. I can. Y'all both look good though. I want both of you. Matter of fact.
Thank you.
You want both of us?
Can I have
Holy
both of y'all?
shit. Of
You
course
want to see
can.
something?
I want to see something.
Look.
Look at them.
Look at
Aren't
them.
they cute?
They are cute. That look like y'all. Cute as y'all.
Oh my
You got
god.
some nice teeth.
Yeah, you
thank
look
you.
white. Pearly white. Oh my gosh.
Thank you. But what part of Portland you guys from?
Wooch. In the center.
In the center? You know, I always want to come to Portland, but I got no friends down there.
Bro.
We can be friends.
We can be friends. We'll
Now,
take you to like.
y'all can be my wives.
Oh,
Okay. We'll take you.
threesome?
We'll take you to like Krakow, Gdańsk. We'll take you everywhere.
Y'all for real gonna take me everywhere?
Yeah, of
Yeah.
course.
I want both of you on Snap. Y'all be on
If
Snap
you
or
say
IG?
woo right now, say it.
If I say what?
Woo
Muta.
What does that mean?
Water, bro, water.
No, we don't say water like we say water.
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 Water. Yeah, it's different. It's different.